came out here today to join my repair team, or one of my repair teams, and they're working on a chimney. We're going to eventually replace the entire roof, but before we could do that, we need to fix up the chimney and do some flashing. It had a lot of rotten trim, and so yes, as roofers, sometimes we do get into carpentry, and we're out here working on the trim. And the reason we're doing it now instead of after the roof is that the homeowner wants to paint his house before we do the roof so that he doesn't get paint all over his brand new roof. And so we are doing the trim today and putting it all together. We're tacking it even a little bit so that we can take it apart again, because we're going to have to get back behind there when we do the roof to do the flashing, the cricket, and everything that goes with that on the chimney. But this way we have it all up there. It gets a good coat of paint, and then when we redo it again later, all we'll have to do is painting touch-ups. My team that I have out here today is Sam, Sarah, and Cassandra. Sam has been with me a couple of years now, and he is amazing. He's been in roofing 35 to 40 years and knows a lot, has a lot of knowledge. Sarah joined me about a year ago when I started an all-female crew, and she was the first girl I hired and the one that has stuck with me all the way through, and she's doing a great job. I'm super proud of her. And Cassandra is another young lady that just joined us a couple of weeks ago. She's amazingly super comfortable on the roof already, so she's got it and she's learning as well. Carpentry isn't normally a part of roofing per se, but because it's so elevated, it's pretty handy if we can knock it out for people. There's actually even a lot of handymen that don't feel comfortable being up that high in the air, and so we often get asked by homeowners, hey, while you're up there, could you do this or could you do that? And we're honestly the ones who notice the issues a lot when we're up there looking at it in the first place and saying, did you know that you have this rotten siding, or do you know that something's crawling in your air vent, or whatever. So if you're needing your roof replaced, and one of the things that has caused you to hesitate is that you also need other work done and coordinated, we might not necessarily do all the work, but we definitely coordinate it, and we can help you make sense of what you want to do in what order and do the parts that we can.